guys, we are at we are at Disney World Hollywood Studios. So it's gonna be a great day. Let's go. Hollywood Studio. Park with it today. Busy. I said this one kind of smaller. I first time I go there the 1 year. The first time I go there the 1 year, but I normally bought it the one them before. So I'm excited to see what's new, what's happening. That look too bad. I can't manage that one now, guys. One thing.
What?
Buzz Lightyear.
Yeah.
I don't know, I always just say Buzz Lightyear.
Greetings.
Wow. That's somewhat easy. Cool. Not too crazy. I think I might speed this. I think this is my speed. So now we just like one weird. Exit that way? Okay. Jesus Christ, guys, then swing out the whole life out of my body. It was good though, it was fun. Star Wars land. Let's see what they do. It's beautiful.
Shall I just say we're here?
Cage up everything. And wake up. You gonna lift them and loose. Jeez. I done it outfit. So cool. So cool. Sounds from me, guys. Wow. This is fire. Very cool. Oh, God almighty, guys. This not look safe, baby. This not look safe. Alright. That's really nice ship, you know. See what I'm going? I've been nervous when you do pull a while. I'm think I'm going to snack on water. It's safe. So for my time now for going on a ride. But look inside though. How cool is this ship? Fire. This is nice. I like it.
You harpooned that precious cargo. Move out, my friends. See you in the cockpit. I will be in the cockpit, of course. It's a figure of...
As I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of oh, that's... There's a minute. We're going to get out of here. All available techs. We have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing has seen better days.
Guys, this is a better view right here, so look how it's nice. Nice, right? Cool. Cool, cool. Thank you, guys. Yeah, man, before the time, man. We're gonna drive over Papa and someone. That's Christ, murder. Really, you know. Cool, honestly. 2024 no good again. Outside. Miss Piggy outside, you know. The man, Miss Liberty. Mood. I love that. Good. I don't know if we get this or the pork. What does it mean? Pork, taco. Mm-hmm. It not look bad, not true. Not look bad. Yeah, we got the same thing. So yeah, that's it. And then this, Jesus Christ, taco nice. Nice guys, not bad, not lie. It's giving.
Phineas Afferb, guys. I don't know. Yeah, turn me up. Woohoo. Yeah.
Star Wars launch bay. And you already know I'm gonna show you guys. Watch them on. Guys, remember me tell you, if you have a friend who loves Star Wars and into this kind of stuff, you're gonna definitely share this video to them because they will thank you, okay? Thank you. At this point, become like it's a Star Wars vlog. I'm just saying, for real. Wow. Very nice. Rayan speeder. Dope. Rebel soldiers. Yoda. Yes. I went live and I sure no this was epic. Nice. Big up all of my 400 and add people that did over the live. Crazy. Guys, I'm telling you something, need to turn on the post notification bell now because when we go live on Sundays or whenever, always call me afterward and I say, oh no, say me did live and this and that. I don't want to hear it. So please turn the bell on, okay? Thank you. Guys, we are going on all Star Wars. It's nice. I love it. Very pretty. And it's cool under here too. Alright guys, Star Wars ride.
So long as you don't watch your language on and check the laser lines.
This already look comforting right there. So them said the system already down. Them I work on it, technical difficulties. And me pick up on this already. Miss stress out right now. Whereas Miss stress right out right now. I don't know, I want to turn back, but I really want to take you walk a shame. You understand? Right, so me I could do. Same if I use the bathroom and just turn back. Not sure. Other thing. I'm nervous.
What have I done? We're doomed! Deactivate the cannon circuit!
Yes, we're not talking about, guys.
Disconnect them all!
Yes, we're not talking about all them something after this.
Oh, thank the maker.
Oh, Jesus. Stress. Right, icy? Yes. See what them have. Wow, Jack and Coke. Alright, look at Fanta, Wild Cherry, Minute Maid. Oh, okay. I'm gonna get the Minute Maid frozen lemonade. That's how we look. How cool it is. Look at this guitar. Look there. All the way around, follow the strings. All the way around. And look, the end right out there. Wild, right? Yep. Ride it on, ride it again, man.
Come right back up and drop the
Yes, I go hello to drip the juice. Ride it on, ride it again. Alright, yeah. That day at the park, it's nice.
94 doesn't accept